Hi, I'm Kendyl with Diggs, and I just wanted to take a moment to thank you for accepting our buyer's offer on your listing. We know you probably had choices, and so we're grateful that you took our offer, and our goal is to be a collaborative team player to get this transaction closed and everybody as happy as can be. We want you to feel like you want to do business with us on your next transaction. I mean, that's pretty much our entire goal. I work as a team, so you will be hearing from my staff a lot more than from me or from my buyer's agents. However, it's important that you get what you need when you need it. So if anything is needing some help, you can always call me directly and I will get right on it. So let's have a stress-free, drama-free transaction, a close of escrow, and maybe, if we're lucky, a toasting of champagne glasses to our next deal. Thank you so much.